Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Erie Insurance coverage step by step clearly. To reset your Erie Insurance coverage, start by gathering your policy information. Log in to your Erie Insurance online account. If you don't have an account, create one using your policy details. Once logged in, navigate to the policy section. Select the specific coverage you wish to reset. Review your current coverage options carefully. Determine the changes you want to make. Click on the Edit or Update button. Adjust your coverage limits as needed. Consider adding or removing any optional coverages. Review any discounts you may qualify for. After making your changes, review your updated policy summary. Make sure all the information is accurate. Next, confirm your changes to proceed. You may need to provide additional information or documentation. Follow any prompts to upload necessary documents. Once satisfied, submit your changes. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after submission. Keep an eye on your email for any follow-up actions. If you have questions, contact Erie Insurance Customer Service for assistance. Review your new policy documents once received to ensure everything is correct. Congratulations, you have successfully reset your Erie Insurance coverage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.